My video is about getting rid of the online scam related to the website Pacromed.xyz. Pacromed.xyz is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you really scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Pacromed.xyz, don't trust them and just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com. You'll see this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and then remove all other types of infections which could still possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.